Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Polight Vitamin C Gold Sugar Scrub. Polight Vitamin C Gold Sugar Scrub is a vitamin C scrub with ingredients such as coconut oil, almond oil, Egyptian oil, vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acid. This scrub provides intense exfoliation and moisturization, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth, while providing powerful hydration. This amazing scrub rejuvenates the skin and is very effective in repairing the outer layer of the body, and also getting rid of blemishes, melasma, freckles, wrinkles, sunburns, tanning, acne scars, blackheads or hyper-pigmentation on the body. It removes dry and flaking skin cells and also smooth-ens scared tissues. Polight Vitamin C Gold Sugar Scrub also erases discolorations and improves the skin's elasticity. It refreshes and revives the skin tone and texture. It also makes the skin fairer by reducing the production of melanin. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.